How's it going, everyone? It's Reversal Trader King. I have another video to share. Everyone loves this ticker. A lot of retail is in it. It's one of my favorite penny stocks that I made a lot of money on, and I want to give you exactly the strategy that I do to make it and what I look for. So the ticker is MULN, and I'm going to share you exactly what I see on the charts, my favorite reversal strategy, and if you follow this to a T, you will make money too. So let's get straight into it. So I do not buy random levels. So as we're looking at the daily, I always use the daily to find my entry of where I want to place my order. So let me just give you a brief overview of what you're looking at. Very simple, 3 lines right in here. These are your Keltner channels, kind of like Bollinger Bands, but these are less balloony effect, and I customize it to what I like that works on every stock in the market according to my system, as long as you have rules to follow. I don't just randomly buy if it's under, and I don't just randomly short it if it's above the band. As you can see, I color coded red is for sell signals. This is where you do not want to be in the trade if you have shares. Green is when you want to accumulate the shares. So as you can see, the price gets under the band, and then the price shoots up by 16. I've traded this one. This was like, I think, 20% or 30. I can't remember. But right there, just this first candle shoots up, and then price gets under, and it shoots up again. It's like a spring. When you push it so far down, there's only so much it can do where it bounces, and that's what this is doing. This is effect where it's bouncing out of that. I don't trade just based on RSI, because if you did based just on RSI, I know I have it, but you would have took a trade way out here where the RSI was oversold. And look at the difference between here and here when I alert the trade. I alert the trade at $2 and it goes to 260, whereas over here is way out and it's $11. You do not trade just based on that. I see a lot of people saying it's oversold. That does not matter. It does not matter. You will lose a lot of your trades. Do it based on this strategy that I teach, and I promise you, you will get the right levels, the right oversold levels, and you will make a lot of money as long as you're patient and you don't just buy these random levels. You're like, oh, it can't go down any further. It can. It definitely can keep going down. As you can see, these big, massive drops. Right in here, you see a massive gain. If you took it just slightly near, just wanted to accumulate, and then it takes a nice little gain here. Same with this, it gets a little closer. So you just got to study it, like, what does this do? Like, there's a lot of people in it, a lot of volume. As you can see, 59 volume just this last recent candle. So there's interest, which is nice on a penny stock. So as right here, it gets a little close, and then a massive shoot up. It goes all the way to this top. So now remember, price always goes to my blue band. We don't know when, but it will. I promise you that. Touch, 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 touch. To a T, it touches. To a T, it touches. Touch, touch. It is acting as resistance. For the past, I mean, here occasionally it went above it, but price will touch it and it will decide where does it want to go next. Does it want to go to the red band or to the green band? I don't care. I am selling at the blue band all the time. Just base, I don't want to take this profit right here if I when I bought it right here, and if it goes up here, I want to sell it. I don't want for it the price to keep going down when I got a little greedy, and I can just rinse and repeat. Take the gains when you have them. So right here, the price is going towards the green band. It has a ways to go. It's not in my buy zone. Like this one right in here is closer to the buy zone. I also use KDJ. I know a lot of people don't know about it, but it is a very nice oscillator to find when the price is extremely oversold too. And I use those settings to predict the price point. I just don't have all the time to get to everything. I know it's not just basic, oh, it's under the band, we buy. I have a lot of specific roles. And that's why I want to share. Join the Discord. If you want to know exactly how I do it, I have a premium Discord where you pay a very small fee of $5 a month, and you just, if you really take your trading serious, skip out on a cup of coffee, skip out on your McDonald's, you know, you know, learn how to trade like a pro, and know what levels you're buying, knowing what levels to take profit. Like if you bought right in here and you're just hoping it keeps going and you're not sure where to sell, but then it starts going down and you lost all that gains and now you're bag holding. You I teach you, I'll tell you when to enter and I'll tell you when to exit. And I don't base it on hype. I don't base it on hopium. I do it based on what I see in the charts and what has worked in the past and what will work in the future. Obviously, that's not all the time, but keep in mind that we're playing an edge. The stock market is all probabilities. No one can tell you what's going to happen. You trade on a system and you trade a system that works repeatedly over time, and that is a good edge in the market. So I'm giving you here's the Discord. I'll put the link into the YouTube chat and the YouTube description where you can find this Discord and you can join this premium chat where you pay a monthly fee and I'll give you real-time buy alerts. The minute I post an alert, I approve of it. I give you images of why I like it and a price target of where we can get that take profit. Anyways, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I made a lot of money on Muln. For me, it's not yet there, but I will let you know when it comes available. Take care.